Hi, I'm Kelly Mashpitz, Certified Image Consultant and Beauty Expert, and today I'm going to give you a makeup tutorial on foundation. Most important is to find the right type of foundation for your skin type and needs. If you have oily skin, you might want to choose something that's more of a powder or a water-based foundation, and if you have dry skin, you might choose to something that's more of a creamy type of foundation. Then you also want to consider the coverage. Do you need high coverage? Do you have a lot of redness or blemishes that you want to cover, or do you want something that's very sheer and light? So one of the foundations I recommend, if you don't need a high coverage, is a tinted moisturizer. That way you'll get some moisture, you'll get some coverage, and you'll also get a sunscreen. And this one is Sheer Defense. It has an SPF 15. So you get 3 benefits in one. Another option, if you need a little bit more coverage, is to choose a liquid foundation or a cream foundation. You can also find some that have sunscreens, but this is going to give you a little bit more coverage. The trick is that you blend it well and that it matches your skin tone as closely as possible. And for gals who don't need a high coverage and maybe have a little bit more oil to their skin, especially some of my younger clients, they prefer a powder foundation. And this can be a mineral powder or other type of powder foundation. I like this one in a pressed compact because it's easy to apply. You can use a brush or a sponge, and it goes on nice and smoothly. And you really don't have to worry about blending too much if you find a shade that matches your skin tone well. So there you have it, a basic foundation tutorial. I'm Kelly Mashpitz, Certified Image Consultant and Beauty Expert.